Hello my dear student, welcome back my online class, and today I am going to explain chapter Go Girl Go. It is the second part of this chapter and first part has been uploaded in my channel. If you have now seen the first part of this chapter, then you have gone to the uh, my YouTube icon and press icon and get the video. Okay, so in the previous video I have explained about the Ding Express. Ding Express, it means Himadas, and I also tell you about more thing of Himadas. And today our next inspiration woman, and her name is Swapna Varman. Okay, and she is a Indian heptathlon girls, and Swapna Varman, born in 29 October 1996, is an Indian heptathlon. She won the gold medal at 2018 Asian Games and placed first in heptathlon at the 2017 Asian Athletics Championships. In August 2019, she was honored with the Arjun Award. Okay, and here is you can see a newspaper cutting, and it is the image of Swapna Burman, who got the medal, gold medal in sports, and he is Indian athlete, and he participated in heptathlon. And when she participated in heptathlon, she get 6,026 points in Jakarta 2018. Burman was born in Gospara village near the Jalpuri, West Bengal. Okay, where she born? She born. She born Gospara village. Okay, near Jalpuri, in West Bengal, in 1996, in poor Rajbongshi family. She is unusual, having 6 toes on each foot, and her mother Vasna worked as a tea estate, and her father Panchanam Burman was rickshaw driver, and he is bedridden after having suffered a stroke in 2013 and making life tricky for his 4 children. She found it difficult to find the right food, and her unusual fit caused her pain because she could not afford extra wide running shoes. Okay, and Swapna uses her prize money to look after her family, who lived in a house without concrete wall. In 2016, she won the scholarship of 1,50,000 rupees in recognition of the success of her at athlete, and she trained at her Sport Authority of Indian campus at Kolkata. Okay, and now we know more about things of the Swapna Burman. You can see here the cutting paper, and this paper is published in 3 September 2018 in Kolkata. Okay, and the Asian Games, Indian heptathlete wins India its first gold. Okay, and we know it is the she won the gold at the 2017 Asian Championship for the heptathlon and received 1.5 lakh. It means 1 lakh 50,000 as annual sports scholarship from Great Sport Infra in 2016. So let's know more thing about the Swapna Burman. Uh, Swapna Burman clinched Indian first event heptathlon gold at the Asian Games this year. She accumulated 6,026 points from the 7 events that she completed in over 2 days. The 7 events were high jump, javelin throw, shot put, long jump, 100 meter, 200 meter, and 800 meter run. Okay, so Swapna Varman is won Indian first event heptathlon gold medal in Asia Game of 2018. Okay, and she accumulated, okay, she accumulated, it means she collected 6,026 points from the 7 event. How many game is involved in heptathlon? There are 7 games involved in heptathlon. They are uh, high jump, javelin throw, shot put, long jump, 100 meter run, 200 meter run, and 800 meter run. Clear? And she was a junior national record holder in high jump before she took up heptathlon on the advice of her coach. It means before joining the heptathlon, before coming in heptathlon, she was a junior national record holder. Okay, Uh, in which field she record holder in high jump. Okay, and uh, after his coach advice, she joined the heptathlon, and her coach name was Subhash Sarkar. Okay, and the heroic heptathlon had to fight pain and discomfort throughout Asian game. Okay, throughout Asian game Asian Games, see an extra toy on each foot and did not have customized shoes to suit her feet. Okay, it means when when a heroic athlete had to fight pain and discomfort throughout Asian Games. It means when she participated in Asian Games, then she fight with pain and discomfort. It means he getting more pain and feel discomfort during the Asian Games, and she has an extra toy on each foot. It means both our legs has a 5 toys. You have 5 toys, but Swapnal Marwan has a 6 toys to each legs, and did not have customized shoes. Okay, he has no any customized shoes to suit her feet. Okay, that fit her uh, feet. She also had a terrible toothache on her day on the final event, showing courage, showing courage and determination. But he has no shoes, and in the final of Asian game, she had a terrible, okay, a terrible toothache. It means pain in tooth. Okay, pain in tooth on the day of final event, and she is not take the rest, and showing her courage and determination, she participated in Asian game, not quick from the game, and after participating in the game, she won the gold medal. Okay, she won the gold medal and made history for India. Okay, if there was any other sportswoman in participated in a Asian game, and he had a many problem like a uh, legs pain, toothache pain, and she also became unconscious on that day, but she never want to quit from the game, and and she also participated in the game and won the gold medal for the India, and made history for India. She won it on Indian National Sport Day, and when she get the success, when she get the success, and get gold medal for the India, and that day is the Indian National Sport Day, which made it extra special. Okay, when she won the gold medal for the India, the day become more special for her and our country. Why? Because that day is a India's national sport day, and that day become more special for everyone and every Indian. Okay, her next target is to do well in 2020 Olympics, and her next dream is to do better for her life and get success in 2020 Olympics game. Okay, and now heptathlon. What do you mean by heptathlon? Heptathlon is a track and field event. It is a combined event contest made up 7 events, and the name comes from hepta for 7 and athlon for feast. A competitor in the event is called a heptathlete. Okay, heptathlons have a there are 7 event contest. Okay, and when a participator, it means when a player participate in all 7 games and get more points for her own, and that points make him to success and winner of the game. And when a person participate in this game, they are called heptathlete. And hepta means 7 and athlon for feet. Okay, athlon for feet, and that made the heptathlon. uh, Burman won gold 2018 Asian Games. She accomplished this despite a jaw injury. Burman collapsed during of the final event of 2017 Asian Athletics Championship Women's Heptathlon, which was the 800 meters, and in 2020 she lost out of a funding list, but said that she would continue to train at her home in Jalpuri, West Bengal. Okay, and I know she is a very hard worker. Swapna Burman is a very hard worker participate, and I hope in the next she do well for his country and for his family. When many of the person of Indian do well for herself, then he never do for herself. They they grow, they make a image of the our country and show up and give the respect to all over in the world. Okay, so I hope you all understand this chapter very well. And there is next topic, it means I will take a third part of this chapter in the next video, and you have to write all words meaning in your CW copy of this topic, and search out more thing about the Swapna Burman and write down it in your CW copy. Okay, so now I have completed this part of the second part of this chapter, and I hope you all understand this topic. So thank you for watching this video. Best of luck to wait for next video.